Okay, I just got back from the store and I got a new clamp and I'm gonna, I guess, try it out. I also got this new lock. Both of these I've never really farted around with, although I've had my eye on this for a while now. This clamp is something that you can get from like Harbor Freight. If you live in a country that has Harbor Freight, which I don't, it's $20 from Harbor Freight. I paid $50 for it at Canadian Tire because I am a captive market. Anyway, so far so good. The only thing I didn't really consider is that I've fully and completely designed my light box to not see the edge of my desk and then bought a clamp that mounts to the edge of my desk like an idiot. But that's for later, I'll figure that out. For now, I'm gonna get started. This lock is, what is its brand? I think it's Home. I think the brand was Home. Yeah. It appears to be a knockoff of an American lock. It's got, hang on, I think I even have, oh, maybe I don't. I was gonna say I think I have an American key like in front of me somewhere, but it appears that I do not. Oh, wait. Oh no, that one's from a Lotto. Okay, well, it's definitely not that keyway. I'm pretty sure it's just an American keyway. I don't know their codes. Anyway, I'm gonna stop waffling about it and I'm gonna start picking it now. It's stainless steel lock body, shrouded shackle. It's nicely made, at least the outside of the body. Alright. Got a little bit of push against the spring. So, in terms of picking, that should make it a little bit more awkward. I have looked inside, and it is a replaceable core, and it was only like $10, so that's pretty good. I think. I hope. Alright, that felt like 5. Got a little click, but now it's loose. Let's see here. Nobody seems to be binding. Well, is that... Well, another click. Also out of 5. Still feels springy though. Oh, is that 2? 2 is binding. A lot of push. I think that's a click. I don't know. Chunky. I think that was 2. No, I don't like this. I'm trying again. It's weird because I gotta push against the spring to get it to start turning, but I don't want to push too hard from there. Oh, I'm looking over my shoulder at the screen. You guys do not have a very good view of what I'm doing. Okay, that felt like 3. It's loose now. Maybe 4. So everybody's loose. Oh, 2 is binding very slightly. Gotta click out of 2. Loose 3. I was gonna say 3 is binding, but it loosened up. 4 isn't binding. 5 seems okay. Oh, that's weird. Okay, more of a click out of 2, and now 1's binding. Gotta click out of 1. Oh, that's... I think 4 is nice and solid now. There we go. Oh, it wasn't so bad. I felt like standards, maybe serrateds. Which way? There. Okay. Let's, I probably should have cleared my desk first. Oh, wait. Oh, that's the wrong way. Fortunately, that is quite easy to do with this vise. Alright, let's try you. Let's see here. Oh, a little washer under it? No, maybe not. Ooh, that is stiff. Oh, that looks pretty standard. That looks pretty standard. That all looks pretty standard. Okay, hang on, it's gonna bug me if I don't actually check. This guy is an American. I knew I had one on here somewhere. Yeah, that's an American keyway. Looks like an American. Yeah, looks like an American key. Home brand. The bidding isn't too terrible. These keys are a little short. Cut a little shorter. I don't know if I held that on camera. These keys are cut a little shorter. These are both 5-pin keys. Just cut a little shorter. Alright. Lock them up. There we go. That thing looks like stainless steel. Okay. That thing came with a doorknob. It is the thing that you're supposed to use to take apart a doorknob. I have taken apart something like 12 doorknobs before I found one that I bought that came as a complete enough kit to have this in it. And then I was like, oh, this is how you're supposed to do it. There's like a hole on the side of like the throat of the knob itself. And this goes in that hole, and it moves a little tab inside of it, and everything comes apart. You don't have to use a saw or nothing. Wish I knew that. I wish I had that. Alright. You look at this mess. Alright, here's a standard American one. This looks very comparable. Yeah, it's 6 pins. Well, it's cut for 6. So, minor differences in the detail on the actuator there, but otherwise nothing special. Ooh. Key pin popped out there. That is number 5. Alright. One, we got a standard. I bet you these are all standards. It didn't feel like any security pins in there. Maybe a serrated. Oh, it's almost a ball bearing. Jesus. Alright. Alright, these are all standard, but they're not rounded on both sides. They're actually pretty well made. These don't have like too heavy a bevel on them. These are pretty good. Nothing too crazy in the core. It looks like there's a little bit of a chamfer on all of them but 6, and I can't tell if 6 is like not drilled out. Although, wait, yeah, I can. I can just try to stick one of these in it. Yeah, I don't think 6 is drilled out. It's not. 6 won't take a key pin. It's not drilled all the way out. That sucks. Alright. That's okay. Where are my tweezers? There. These aren't tweezers. This is a hemostat. Okie dokie. We got a standard. Ooh, he's a little round on the ends. Not too bad. I've seen way worse. Another standard. Another standard. What else we got? More standards. All standards. Those appear to all be ordinary boring springs. Yes. That's not bad. It's not too bad. $10. Knockoff American. Shrouded shackle. All these edges are really nicely beveled. I'm not gonna lie about that. This, for a real cheap lock, this is pretty nicely finished. Solid piece here. That's not bad at all. The machining in here isn't too bad. Ooh, let me see. Definitely seen uglier machining inside of a lock. That all seems well and good. Replaceable core. Yeah, I'm pretty pleased with that. I'm pretty pleased with that. Not bad. Really pleased with that clamp. That is a nice clamp. I'm real happy with that thing. But that ain't a bad lock either. All right, cool, cool. Good video, I hope. Anyway, don't pick locks that aren't yours. Don't be a jerk.